Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says a company conducts surveys each year about the use of various media, such as televisions and video viewing. A representative sample of adult Americans was surveyed in 2010 in the mean number of minutes per week spent watching time-shifted television, watching television shows that were recorded and played back at a later time for people in the sample was 578 minutes. An independently selected representative sample of adults was surveyed in 2011. In the mean time spent watching time-shifted television per week for this sample was 649 minutes. Suppose that the sample size of each year was 1,000 and the sample standard deviation was 60 minutes for the 2010 sample and in 80 minutes for the 2011 sample. Estimate the difference of the mean time spent watching the time-shifted television in 2010 and the mean time spent in 2011 using a 99% confidence interval. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to pool the variance. So you have to take your degrees of freedom for both of them is 999. So you have to take 999. You're going to multiply that by your standard deviation of 60 squared plus 999 times your standard deviation of 80 squared. You're going to divide that by 999 plus 999, and you are going to get a pooled variance of 5,000. And then you're going to find the square root of 5,000, and that's going to equal 70.71. And then you're going to take 70.71, and you're going to find the square root of that, and then you're going to multiply that by the square root of 1 over 100 times 1 over 1,000 times 1 plus 1 over 1,000, and you're going to get 3.16, and that is the standard of error. So then you're going to take your degree of freedom. So you are going to take 999 plus 999 is 1,998. And you are going to take 1 minus 0.99. That's 0.01. And you're going to take 1 minus 0.01, divide that by 2, and you're going to get 0.995. Then you are going to take t, 0.995, your degree of freedom of 1,998, and that is going to be 2.58. So then you are going to take the 578 minus, okay, so if you take 578 minus 649, you're going to get a negative 71. So you're going to take negative 71 plus or minus 2.58 times 3.16. So negative 71 plus or minus 8.15. And so your confidence interval is going to be negative 79, negative 79.15, comma, negative 62.85. And so we are 99% confident that the true mean spent watching television in 2011 is in 2011 and 2010, or between 2010 and 2011. So 99% confident. So it's going to be the last one, option, is between these two values. So I hope that this video helps. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.